2, 1. Let's go. Altitude mode, good.
Yep.
Great. Can you come down to return to landing? The last one, the last. Oh shit.
Hold it.
Yeah. Shit. It's coming.
I put it back to the
Altitude?
altitude, yes.
I think it's coming. Great. Can we try the return to landing? The last.
So I guess it tries to go. Okay, this is altitude.
Altitude. What about the return to landing?
So let me just try to.
Probably have to leave it for it to find its way.
I'm trying to keep it close up. It doesn't fall on the ground. Okay. Do you have the rope?
Yeah, I've heard it. Yeah, I've heard it.
Okay, return to landing. Hold the rope tight.
Yeah.
Okay. It's now in return to
Landing?
landing. So actually, that's where we initially started the.
Yeah, it will come.
Okay. Hands off the
No.
controller. So it
Right.
should
It's
land
moved to the
on
same
its
position.
own.
Great. Perfect.
Perfect.